In a world powered by change, the future belongs to sustainable energy. Welcome to Solarworld Energy Solutions, India's only backward integrated EPC solutions provider. For over 12 years, we have been pioneers in India's clean energy transition. As India's only vertically integrated EPC solution provider, our project portfolio now exceeds 2 gigawatt solar and BESS solutions. This legacy is built on the highest standards of quality, performance, and reliability, providing value for money solutions and fostering long-term relationships that drive repeat business. We offer a comprehensive suite of end-to-end EPC services. From concept to commissioning, our expertise covers complete solar and BESS EPC, specialized solar park development, and the precision deployment of both rooftop and ground-mounted projects. Our in-house capabilities include design, procurement, quality, and execution teams, supported by backward integration into solar panel and BESS manufacturing plants. We are the trusted partners for India's energy titans and top global brands including NTPC, SJVN, Haldiram's, and Coca-Cola bottlers. We deliver complex, customized energy solutions for government, industry, and commerce, always with precision and excellence. We innovate to lead, specializing in high-efficiency N-Type TOPCon modules. We utilize advanced technology to drive superior performance and maximum cost efficiency. As one of India's leading solar module manufacturer, our state-of-the-art facility in Roorkee, Uttarakhand, features a 1.55 gigawatt annual production capacity. Our facility is equipped with best-in-class, fully automatic machinery producing ALMM and BIS-certified modules. We offer a range of 600-watt P, 720-watt P solar modules with a 30-year performance warranty. Our vision extends beyond the sun. We are experts in advanced grid-class energy storage systems. Available in robust containerized formats, these systems enhance energy resilience and ensure grid stability. Our capabilities are anchored by a 3.5 gigawatt fully automated plant in Roorkee. With over 2 gigawatt of EPC projects for energy titans like NTPC, SJVN, GUVNL amongst others, our scale is matched only by our expertise. From 1.55 gigawatt module capacity to a massive 3.5 gigawatt BESS powerhouse, we are defining the new era of energy as India's only backward integrated EPC company. Solarworld Energy Solutions, powering a greener tomorrow, today. Partner with us and lead the transition